You don't know, eh? It's an east-side thing, eh? Yo, what's up, guys? Today behind me I do have my 2013 Ford Fusion and my 2014 Audi RS5, which I'm gonna do like a comparison. So my 2013, which is in Burgundy, it's straight pipe. I straight piped this about a couple months ago, and my 2014 Audi RS5, which I just copped this about 2.5 months ago. So my 2014 Audi RS5, it's stock, which I'm gonna be doing some mod in the future, and my 2013 my 2013 Ford Fusion, which I've had this car for over I think 2 or 3 years now. And so yeah, so what I'm gonna be doing today, guys, I'm gonna be doing a comparison to see exactly which one is louder, the stock 2014 Audi RS5 or the straight pipe 2013 Ford Fusion. So that Ford Fusion has a 1.6 liter EcoBoost, and the 2014 Audi RS5 has a V8 natural aspirated V8 4.2 liter. All right, let's get it. Oh. Guys, that was epic, yo. Let me know what you guys think. The Audi or the Fusion? You all saw the drive-by? Personally, I had more fun in the Audi, obviously, but the Fusion, I believe it sounded way better than the Audi. Let me know down in the comment what you guys think. Alright, so there you go, the Burgundy Fusion, the Audi, or the Burgundy Fusion. So that's a 1.6 straight pipe, and that's my Audi and RS, which is stock. So let me know, guys, what you guys think about those two cars, and thanks for watching. You don't know. Yalla.